We're back for part 2. I got some bracing in here. I'm gonna put the panels across. Let me show you. So I got this installed, put these anchors in. This is holding good. I got that in. I cut some small pieces over here and on that side. I got that big piece in there. So we're gonna have one big counter here so people can get drinks from all angles. And yeah, I'd like to put a roof on this thing, but my tractor is too weak and yeah, it won't be able to lift it. Now what I'm doing is building or putting this on for this to sit flush on here. You'll see. Taking these pallets apart was the worst. It's much later in the day and I went to Home Depot and look at what they gave me. 10 free pallets. I needed more wood. I got a lot done today, believe it or not. Let me show you what else I got. I think this is the fence. I've never owned one of these. I'm gonna rip these pallet wood. I'm gonna be ripping them in half, turning them sideways, and I'm gonna make a butcher block style countertops. You'll see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tune in for part 3, maybe tomorrow. We'll see.